Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use quick global actions in Salesforce 2022. In this new Salesforce visual and the UI, one of the greatest things is this little plus button on the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, once you click this plus, you will see global actions. When you really don't want to go inside each and every single leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and click straight away to new, and it will create this window, you can easily go and create a new opportunity straight in the bottom. As you can see, it will stay there. I'll try to go with this, and basically once you click there and you want to, for example, add a new contact, on the bottom right corner you can start writing down a new contact. That's a very great beginner's feature when you are into accounts or you are into leads and you have something already started, you are working on something different and you don't really want to go back to accounts and lose everything without saving it at the delete. Easily press plus and you see you need to add a new contact, and you can start doing so without leaving the previous job or work. Then you can also go and log a call or new lead, new note, or email. Easily you can do that. We don't have I don't really have fulfilled all the bars in Salesforce, since this is just a trial version that I created just to show you the tips and tricks of Salesforce. But I strongly recommend you using global actions bar. It's very easy way, very fast way, and you won't really regret it. So that's about it, guys. If you have any type or if you have any questions about Salesforce and how to do stuff, we created already a couple of videos about Salesforce. And if you have questions, leave a like and maybe subscribe, and leave obviously the questions underneath the video. I'll try to answer it as fast as possible. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.